Or there are no pictures.
I know, and I feel sad. We don't want it to be like that.
Oh. Drew. Kelly. Oh.
Drew, give the airplane to Grandma.
Go.
Give it to Grandma.
Okay, here it comes over there.
Ready? Set?
Again.
Yep, here it comes.
Again.
Yes. Ready? Good job.
Whoa, that was a good one.
That one, you got a backup one.
Oh, you mushed it.
Uh-oh, the race is on.
Catch me.
Oh, Drew, you're in the position. Okay, here comes Grandma. Ready? Set? Oh, good one.
Well, bring me the airplane. Here it is.
Ready? Where are you going? Where are you, Drew?
Drew, where are you? Drew! Drew, where are you?
Where? Oh, there
There he is!
We found you! Do you want Grandma to throw the airplane again?
Ready? Set.
Whoa! Oh, there's another one.
This one has been salivated.
That's okay.
I think you
Are you gonna shoot a bat? Uh-oh.
You should title this one. Uh-oh.
Yep, ready, set, go.
No, you should title this one. Drew gets ready for his nap.
Yeah, right.
Not at all. Yeah, this fell out. Now we gotta fix it again. And this is a pain. Here it is. Uh-oh. Maybe he ate part of this.
Yeah, he's been working on it. You need help?
Yes.
You got it.
Yeah, but let me tell you, this isn't going to work.
No, he was doing this earlier. Uh-oh.
Okay, go ahead.
Shoot a basket. Score!
You do have to tell Dean about him playing basketball.
Yeah, I told him that